Zero, you'll have your new CPU in no time. And motherboard. I put CPU in the thing, but I think she also needs a motherboard, which... Those aren't, like, too expensive. So I think we can help with that, too. Gifting and kissing. Oh my god.
Really?
Holy shit.
No, just kidding.
Really? Rose, thank you. Y'all are seriously the best. And I just thought this would be a fun way, because I felt like y'all would feel good contributing to this, too. And I appreciate y'all. And Zero definitely appreciates y'all. It's like 400, 500. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's around what I thought. This is such a sweet community. Seriously. Thank y'all. Jesse's just sitting there seething.
No, I'm not.
Nobody wanted to see me on stream. Oh my god. FMJ on there. I'm gonna bring my regen. Gotta keep my
Maddie, get our ding dang